Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short on Axiom Pro. And if you want to short, we go right here to perpetuals, and this is the place where the magic happens. Because right here we can go to short, select right here short, but before we create a position right here, you need USDC to create yourself a short. So if you don't have standing that on your wallet right here, we click here on the wallets, deposit, go to convert, and now you can select right here how much Solana you want to convert right here to USDC. Then after that, fill in right here the amount of the position, of your short position. Then if you want to click here on TPSL to create a take profit or a stop loss, you can do that right there. And then after that, you click right here on buy position. Right now he's telling me add more funds because I don't have any money standing on this account, but this is how you can short right here on Axiom Pro. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.